I have this design I am working on and I want to share it with others as a link. To do that, I'm going to come over to share here, and you will see here it says copy link. The first thing you want to do is to click this drop down and choose how you want the link to be copied. I want anyone with the link to be able to see this design. I will click on this, and from here you can choose what anyone with the link can do. You can choose whether the person can edit the document or can comment or can view. They can view, and if you have a Canva Pro, you can click on create custom link and you can name the link how you would remember it. So I have this short link and this is easier for anyone to remember. I'm going to click on save and copy, and if I open my notes and I paste the link I have, you can see that this is the short link we created. So when you send this link to anybody you're working with, the person can easily come into this design and view it. Mind you, the person must have a Canva account to be able to view this design. But if you want anyone to be able to view the design with or without a Canva account, we go back to share. You want to create a public view link. If we click on public view link and you click on create public view link, and you can also turn on that you should be notified anytime this link is accessed. You can turn this on, which I like a lot, and you can now also do the same thing, create short link for the same here. Or if you like the suggestion you have, you can click on copy this, and this goes for also the same link. So this is the one for the public view link, and this is the one with anybody can view. And at any point you want to delete this link, you can still come back into your design. You no longer want people to be able to access this link. And if you go to share again and click on manage custom link, you can clean this out and delete this link so that people can no longer have access to this design.